Morning, everybody. It's 8:42, and this is your pre-opening comment for today's CPI day, video number 1400, and here we go. When I came down this morning, Dow was up 74, Nasdaq up 56, S&P up 12. They continued to grind higher. And when the CPI number came out, it became evident why. CPI month over month was well in line. It was up 3/10 versus an expectation of up 5/10, and versus last month's up 7/10. On the year over year number, we're 8.5 versus last month's 9.1. Core 0.0. So unchanged on core. Expectation was for up 3/10 on a year over year basis, up 5.9, and that is exactly the same as the last the last month's 5.9. The market, needless to say, absolutely took off to the upside, with the Dow futures currently showing a gain of 435, S&P up 75, and Nasdaq up about 320. So very uh, big move here on the basis of these numbers. I don't know if it holds. Just so that you know, the S&P here at up 75 puts it as close to 4,200 as it has been since it moved to the downside. Another thing here that I want to say is, kind of strange. I mean, you'd think CPI down, less inflation. Gold is up $8. And I'm guessing that the reason for gold being up on these numbers is the numbers came in better. I mean, it's kind of a disjointed rationale. Numbers came in better, so the Fed doesn't have to go 75 or 1. Still probably going to go 50 or 75. But lower interest rates, higher gold. Same thing with the silver. Oil is down just slightly, but that was based on slowdowns because we saw Europe slowing down a bit, and Asia was down hard this morning on a rise in Chinese inflation. As far as stocks to discuss, there's not really much new going on here. Coinstar is down about $1 after their miss. Sweet Greens with a big miss, down 365 at 1330. That's 21%. Roblox, same situation, big miss, big move down 40.30, down 705 or 15%. Trade Desk with a big beat last night, 63.56 up 906. And WYNN missed on revenues and slightly beat on earnings. The stock is 64, down 203 or 3%. And on the Elon Musk Twitter news, Musk sold another 7 billion in stock, but made the statement specifically that if he gets a favorable ruling in Delaware, that he will be rebuying that position. So, um, you know, the stock is up 35. I want to just show you the gold chart. 1819.8 is right here up. In fact, after yesterday's move, made a new higher high, higher low. But as I said, we're right in here in this 1820 to 1830 or so, which is an area of pretty extreme supply. Take a quick look at the S&P here, and this one shows us into that major area here where we halted several times on the downside and consolidated, rallied, consolidated, broke, back up to that same area, broke, This is beginning to look like a bit of a W bottom here. Um, but, 41.97 and a quarter is awfully close to that 4,200 number. And I would not be buying this rally. I'd be fading it, if anything. Have a good morning.